So in order to start using DeepSeek, all you need to give is prompt. And in this video, let us start by giving simple prompts. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around over here and I'm going to go ahead and type in, let's say, for example, hello, how are you right here. So you can just go around and just like you're chatting with a regular person, you can simply go ahead and type in something. And then what happens is that DeepSeek will reply accordingly. So I have asked, hello, how are you? And it has replied to me accordingly. Similarly, what you can actually do right here is you can go ahead and then let's say, for example, type in prompts like, let's say, for example, write a paragraph about computer science and its benefits and make it 70 words, let's say, for example, just like this. And once you do that, what happens is that you will get a paragraph accordingly, just like that. And it is quite straightforward, just like that. You can go ahead and as if you're chatting to a real person, you can simply type in a sentence as a chat message and then send it out, and then DeepSeek will reply to you accordingly with the prompt result. And that is how you can start chatting with DeepSeek using simple prompts as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.